Are you in the market for a new ladder? Have you ever considered a multifunction ladder like this? Now this ladder from 𝐚𝐽𝐳 is an amazing bit of kit and it can do many different functions. You can use it as a normal ladder like this, or a super stable step ladder like this. This standoff feature allows you to work on areas you can't access with a normal ladder. And it even makes a working platform like this. So out the box you get the multifunction ladder and you also get some stabilizer bars. Now these come in two different sizes, either 90 centimeters or 120 centimeters, and you can choose depending on your requirements. You also get these platforms to make the ladder into a safe working platform. So to fit the stabilizer bars, you need to locate both ends of the ladder, and then you can literally just slide these sections out. Next, get the stabilizer bar and push into the gaps, and they'll line up with these fixing holes. With the fixing kit, you just slide the bolt through the ladder and attach the nut. So before we use the ladder, let me show you how to operate the hinge locking mechanism, and that is really simple. All you need to do is grab the blue lever and lift to the upright position, and that moves this to the unlocked position, and now you can move the ladder and it will lock into the next locking position, and that's it locked into place. Now if you want to adjust it, all you need to do is repeat the process, and you can set this ladder up on various different options, and that's what I'm going to show you next. So the first way of using the ladder is like a standard traditional ladder. The only disadvantage is you can't adjust the height, but there is loads of advantages. So this has a height of 5.5 meters and a safe working height of nearly 6.5 meters, which is plenty to reach up to the guttering. Another use for this ladder is this amazing step ladder function. Now this gives you a working height of over 3.5 meters, which is far higher than most people will need to use for DIY. Not only that, it is really stable. It's got such a great span on the floor, especially with the stabilizer bars. It is really secure. This standoff feature of the ladder allows you to access places like this that you wouldn't normally get to with a traditional ladder, and also this gives you a standoff of 1 meter, which is plenty. And not only that, you can adjust it with these brackets to alter the angle of this section. So to make the working platform, all you need to do is get these metal sections and they just slot into place. Now one is shorter than the other. If you put that on first, then they just clip into place, and the hooks on the back of these metal sections just hook over the rungs of the ladder. So all you need to do is slide that into place, they overlap and it locks it nice and solid. Have you subscribed to my channel? Well, if not, why not? I've got over 80 different DIY videos on my channel, ranging from tool reviews, how-tos, electrical stuff, garden projects, you name it, it's on there, and it's all designed to save you some money. Now, if you're interested in getting one of these outdoor ladders, I've left a link to the website in the description. Head over and see if you can get a good deal on one of these. So in the platform position, it actually gives you a height of 150 centimeters off the ground and a working length of 2.9 meters. Now this is ideal for any sort of decorating, clearing out the gutterings while I'm up here, or anything where you need something to work along, even down to doing a bit of bricklaying. This is ideal. So if you found this video on these outdoor ladders useful and helpful, please leave me a like and a comment, and that'll help this video reach other people. Also, if you're interested in getting one of these ladders, then I've put the link in the description, which will take you straight to their website.